Hi, here's a peek at my digital I read you read passages. So what you're going to see at each level, there's earliest readers through third grade, is a cover page, a directions page so that parents can refer to this as well as any other adult who may be using this, including yourself or another teacher. And then a clickable title page where students are going to be actually choosing which story they'd like to read that day. And then each passage, which comes with a my turn, your turn, and then the comprehension page for every single story. So basically students can go into present mode and they will then be clicking through. They don't have to worry about that, but they can look through, and this is a great thing to give students choice. They can choose which one they want to read. If they want to read about a dog today, they would click there, and then they would go ahead and do their part first, which is my turn. They're actually going to read the story, and they're going to go through and read it as best as they can. And then they're going to have the adult, which might be their parent, an older sibling, you, the teacher, whoever it is. They're going to go ahead and that person is going to read through the your turn part. Then once they're done with that, you're going to get back to the screen mode, the slide mode, and they're going to go through and see what the next page tells them to do. So first, they're going to write their answers to the questions, which they're just typing in the text box. So they're going to answer, what does Sparky do? Sparky can play. Sparky can run. Then they can answer the second question, if there is one. Why is Sparky the best dog? He is fast, whatever it is that they want. Then they can choose to add a picture here or not. That's totally up to the ability of the student, but basically they can go to shapes and create one. So they might draw this dog, give it a little face, and then draw some ears on there. However it is that they want to do it. They can also add images depending on the actual ability of the student. And then they can also search for images. So it's totally up to you how much you want them to do with it and how comfortable the student is with it. But this is just to let them get creative. Otherwise, you can just have them actually write type their answer in. If it's a student who struggles with writing or typing, you can have them just verbally answer the questions also and have the parent or you assess how they did. Then the last step is to go back to the text, and this is for the earliest readers in kindergarten version. They're going to go back and circle the words that they can read on their own. So then they're going to go back and use these circles that are provided, and they're finding the words just by moving it on top. So it was my, is, and so on and so forth. And then they can also look for it down here. Again, I only provided a few circles because you don't need them to find every single one. You just want to make sure that they recognize those words and can read them. So that's what the lower level looks like.